XLNC, 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 Auto Beauty.
Actually, I bought it yesterday. It was a total wreck. I went on Yelp and did a bunch of reviews, I called XLNC, and they responded right away with the quote and everything, and I could sign up everything online. I could just click, and they showed up next day, 1:30 on time, and the car was just an absolute wreck. Total dog hair, everything inside was just like gross, you know, old owner. Got to get the old dirt out, and they just like killed it. It totally nailed it.
Yeah, it's been a wonderful experience, and Ty was very thorough with everything. There was some things that I saw afterwards, and he went in and took care of that part too, without any kind of problem or anything. So it was a wonderful experience. I would use them again for any car detail I would need.
And we just want to say, XLNC, Auto Beauty.
XLNC, Auto Beauty.